need one boiled egg, one container, one paper, and some matchsticks.
Okay.
First, add the egg, the boiled egg.
See, we need to send this egg to inside this bottle. But it is not fitting here, right?
If we push it, it will
Smash.
smash.
So what we can do is
make the paper light up.
Okay. Okay, and then put it inside the bottle.
Then put it inside the bottle.
Okay.
But
keep the egg.
Keep the egg. What is going to happen to that?
What is happening? Wow, egg is going down. Oh!
It fell inside.
Yeah, because of the air pressure that is coming from the fire and it is sucking the egg to inside of this
Without
container.
smashing.
Yes. See, it is very nice. See?
I want to do it again. Can we do it? Twinkle walk.